Hello foodies, this is Chef Pete and I'm back again to take you on a culinary trip, but today we're gonna go to Sicily. And in Sicily, this is where our great Marsala wine comes from. Sicilian. It's a Sicilian wine that the Italians used, and it just, if you like, I'm gonna do it with rice pilaf and then have a vegetable, and there we go. That will make us a simple dinner. And today's twist is using chicken tenders instead of a chicken breast. It all works out the same. In the end, you're going to get the Marsala taste with a nice, tender piece of chicken. So this is Peter Carpizzos, and as always, we came to the United States, and Marsala wine could be very sweet, not so sweet. It's all different ways in Sicily, but it is a Sicilian Italian wine. And remember, we don't call them Italians. We call the folks on Sicily Sicilians. Okay, so here we go. Instead of using, for this dish, the traditional chicken breast, I'm going to use chicken tenders. And I have them in the bowl here with some salt and pepper. And I have them sitting here kind of marinating in the salt and pepper a little. And then I have some beautiful, beautiful mushrooms. Beautiful organic mushrooms I'm using today. And you can use shallots. Okay, I am using some other things today instead of shallots. Okay, and some garlic. So there we have that, you know, some chives, right, with the garlic, a little butter. And then, of course, over here in this, I have some chicken broth with about a cup of Marsala wine. And you can smell it here with just a little Marsala wine. Anthony can smell that. Can you smell that, Anth?
Oh, yeah, that's good.
And we're going to use that with just a little thickening agent. I'm not using cornstarch. I'm using potato starch just to make it a little bit thick so we don't have a runny sauce. Okay, so basically you can make this with potatoes. Remember to watch the shorts. That's how I put this together and cook it till we show you on the plate when it's done. So this is Peter Carpizzos. Thanks for subscribing. We love you all, and we'll see you in the next one. Pete out.